When it comes to handheld Windows gaming, Steam Deck is undoubtedly the most popular recent console that has been released this year. This powerful gaming handheld is specially designed to run modern PC games, and it really performs amazing. While the Steam Deck remains a fan-favorite PC gaming handheld, Ayn Technology just released their Ayn Odin Pro, which is a pretty good Android gaming handheld that's available on the market. In today's video, we will compare the latest Ayn Odin Pro to Steam Deck and find out which one is best for you. But first, a word from our today's sponsor, WinX. WinX Deluxe is an easy-to-use video converting application that lets you convert, trim, or resize video files in the most efficient way possible. All you gotta do is head over to the website, download the app, select the file you want to convert, and hit the Run button. You're good to go. Converted files can also be found in the destination folder. Currently, they're giving away free license codes for WinX, and if you want to participate, check out the link in the description. Design-wise, Ayn Odin Pro definitely looks more stylish than the Steam Deck. The ergonomic grip on this handheld is really comfortable to hold even after long gaming sessions. Both thumbsticks on each side are placed up and down, which makes it easier for users to control while gaming. Also, the curved LED lights on the edge and underneath the thumbsticks give this handheld a true gaming vibe. Lastly, for connectivity, Odin Pro has an SD card slot with an HDMI port at the top, and at the bottom it has an audio jack and Type-C port. Steam Deck, on the other hand, is quite a big gaming handheld when it comes to its shape and looks. With beautifully designed thumbsticks and the positioning of each button, users will not have any issues at all during a long gaming session. Additionally, it has trackpads on both sides in the thumbstick, which is really good for RTS games and other top-down view games. On top of that, it also has 4 extra buttons at the back which are placed perfectly for users to control. For connectivity, Steam Deck has one USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack along with a power button at the top and a microSD card slot at the bottom. Moving on to the specs, Ayn Odin Pro uses a Snapdragon 845 with a boosted frequency of up to 2.8 GHz. As for the graphics, it uses Adreno 630 graphics chip along with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 128GB UFS 2.1 storage. And the 6000 mAh battery can deliver up to 6 hours of playtime, while a bit demanding games can deliver 3 hours at max. In comparison, Steam Deck uses AMD Zen 2 processor with a boosted frequency of 3.5 GHz, and for the graphics, it uses 8-core RDNA2 GPU with a 1.6 GHz boost frequency at max. With 16GB of LPDDR RAM, Steam Deck comes in 3 different internal storages: 64, 256, and 512GB SSD. And with a 5313 mAh battery, it can deliver up to 2 to 8 hours of gameplay depending on what game the user is playing. Now, let's move on to the main attraction of both these handhelds, which is the display. The 6-inch IPS touchscreen display of Ayn Odin Pro comes with 1080p resolutions. Playing games on this display feels quite satisfying with bright and vibrant color accuracy. Compared to Ayn Odin Pro, Steam Deck has a bit larger display. This 6-inch IPS LCD touchscreen has 1280 by 800p resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio. For a PC gaming handheld, this screen really does an incredible job when it comes to playing most modern games. And that leaves us to our last part, which is price and emulation support. Although Steam Deck is a PC gaming handheld, it also has a dedicated app, EmuDeck, for emulation support on the device. Users can simply just download the app on the device, and once it's done, users can easily choose their favorite emulators with many options available such as Genesis, Sega CD, NES, Dreamcast, PSP, and so on. The base price for Steam Deck starts from $399 and it goes up to $649. As for the starting price of Ayn Odin Pro, it's $290, which also comes with various emulation supports like N64 emulation, Sega Saturn, Dreamcast, PSP, PS2, Vulkan, Wii, Vulkan Nintendo, and many more. In conclusion, the Steam Deck is obviously the most powerful PC gaming handheld that still remains unbeatable for its performance and specs. But when you look at the Ayn Odin Pro, this Android gaming handheld is also the best in its class. From performance to price, it really does a good job being a modern Android gaming handheld. So, if you're a retro gaming fan and looking for a modern gaming handheld with good performance, then go for the Ayn Odin Pro. And if you want something portable and powerful enough to play modern AAA games, then Steam Deck is the right choice for you. So, that was all about the comparison between Ayn Odin Pro and Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.